Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you from the bench with another shop card shout out. A couple of days ago I received this gorgeous shop card in the mail from Jeff over at Jeff's Model Garage. Jeff is an awesome builder, just fantastic, super clean builds. But also Jeff is a huge supporter of not just my channel, but a lot of channels out there. Jeff finds new channels. I don't even know how he found my channel, but he sends out a shout out to all of his followers to go check people out all the time. I think I may have had like 10 subscribers when Jeff sent out word to his community, and everybody and their dog came up, and suddenly I had like 6 times the subscribers. So like I said, great guy, great modeler. Go ahead and check out his channel. You'll find some fantastic builds, group build information from time to time. He talks about various group builds that he's doing, channel shout outs, and from time to time you'll catch a ferret or two as well. Ferrets are awesome, Jeff. Love your channel. Thank you for all of your support. Keep modeling, and as always guys, have a great day.